Hello, thanks for joining me today. I'm Amanda, founder of Inspiring Inkin. Welcome to my craft room. In today's video, we are going to be playing with glitter and getting our sparkle on, mainly for Christmas. But I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to glitter up all your projects. This card shows you the technique I'm going to be doing today. I'm actually going to make a different card, but you can see a stamped image underneath a full glittery top. So I'm going to start using Snowfront and Itty Bitty Christmas. Now, if you have been reading my blog lately, you will see that I have been using these two stamp sets a huge amount. So really cool stamp sets, love them a lot. So I've got those. You are going to need a silicone mat and a sponge and some Tombow multi-purpose glue. I've got Night of Navy ink pad and Dazzling Diamonds. This is a super quick technique and a super quick card. So let's get some cardstock, get my foam mat underneath and my ink pad opened up. I'm going to start with the greeting in the bottom left hand corner, and then all of the rest of the stamps are from the Snowfront stamp set. Now I am going to zoom in to show you how detailed this image is. I love the fact that the image is actually tonal and it's kind of got different shades, and it's just because the stamp itself is really clever, and you can see it clearly here with the little log cabin. Then I'm going to pop in a tree and then stamp it again a couple of times. So got a bit more forest going on there, and actually I'm just going to pop one there as well. Then we've got the really cute snowman, and then the sandbanks. So I'm just restamping this without re-inking it, just to give a bit more dimension. Okay, so let's stamp the inside. I'm going to put the log cabin on the inside as well, and then we can get rid of this foam mat and get rid of all of the stamps and the ink. And let's just get that card, get the inside assembled first. So I've got Night of Navy for the card blank, which obviously matches the ink. I've obviously got a smudge of ink there. Let's hope I didn't manage. Look at that ink everywhere. Hope I didn't manage to get that on the other side. Ha! Hooray. So that's good. So that's for the inside. And then this would make a fab Christmas card. And actually, if you were online shopping with me in August, this is the card that you would have received along with a gift as a thank you for shopping with me. I love this and it works brilliantly in lots of different colours, so do kind of give it a try. But we are going to bling this right up. So we are going to get my silicone mat and my sponge and my Tombow, and then the Dazzling Diamonds. Now this is Stampin' Up's glitter, and if you've never come across it before, where have you been? It's amazing. It's really fine, really light, fine glitter. And it's translucent, so you are going to be able to see what's underneath when you put it on a project. So we're going to put a squirt of Tombow here on the silicone mat, and then we're going to go right over the top of the whole of the card. Now it's white on white, so it's sometimes tricky to see, so I'm just going to kind of tilt it a little bit. Hopefully you can see it's kind of stippled, but that's fine. You just want to keep going over the top, over the whole thing. And And then we are going to put it into the glitter and tip it up. Give it a quick tap. And there you have it. So the whole thing is absolutely covered in glitter. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get one that I made earlier to just explain the rest of it, because you do need to let it dry for a little bit. So here is a finished card. Now, when I've been demonstrating this, I've had a few questions, and the first one is this wet? So can you still kind of feel the glue? Is it kind of tacky? And the answer is no, it's not. It's not tacky at all. The glitter sits really well into the card. If you work really hard over certain areas, you can pick up the colour because this is a water-based glue. So just go gently as you're going over the top. Just make sure obviously that your card is dry before you start. But I just love this. It's such a great effect. Now you can also do this on patterned paper. This is Feels Like Frost Designer Series paper, and if I just show you some of the papers, these are really cool. They're photographic on one side and they've got silver foiling, white and silver foiling on the other. So you've got lots of different patterns, and the foiling on the back is different on all of them. Love these sort of scenes and sunsets and sunrises. And then this is actually the paper that I use. So you can see obviously it's a bit more subtle, the image is more subtle, but it works really well. And you just do it exactly the same, just dab the multi-purpose glue over the top. So let me just bring in those other cards. All of the items that I've used today are available in my online store. If you scroll down on YouTube or on my blog, you'll be able to see links or pictures of the items. If you're in the UK, I'm afraid you won't see the link for the Tombow glue. It's actually out of stock in our online store, but I will be able to get it for you. So if you send me an email, amanda@inspiringinkin.com, I will be able to sort out this glue for you. But thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have enjoyed today's project, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.